Welcome class 11. I am Namrata Sapra, your accountancy teacher. So let's start our lecture. Before starting, we have to know about its author. Our book is Accountancy. Authors are D.K. Goyal, Rajesh Goyal and Shaili Goyal. And our syllabus is Meaning and Objective of Accounting, Basic Accounting Terms, Accounting Principles, Process and Basis of Accounting, Accounting Standards, Accounting Equations, Double Entry System, Source Document of Accountancy, Journal, and there are so many chapters included in it. In first term, we will do till cash book. Fine, we will complete the chapters till cash book. Let's start our chapter 1, that is meaning and objective of accounting. Before it, we have to understand the meaning of accounting. What do you mean by accounting? According to R.N. Anthony, nearly every business enterprise has accounting terms. It is a means of collecting, summarizing, analyzing, and reporting in monetary terms information about business. They are saying accounting is a process of collecting the data, then summarizing the data, then analyzing the data, and then the data should be in monetary terms so that all the information about the business everybody can understand in a better manner. Fine. Why do we need accounting? Because at the end of each year, all the businessmen want to know how much they have gained or lost during the year. How much capital is invested in the business, how much amount they are liable to pay, and to whom they owe it, and how much is owed to them and to whom. So, in order to attain such information, it is very much essential to keep a complete and systematic record of each and every business transaction entered into during the year. So, to solve this purpose, we need accounting. Fine. Now, see characteristics of accounting. First of all, accounting is an art as well as a science. Art is a technique of attaining some predetermined objectives. Accounting is an art of recording, classifying, and summarizing business transactions with a view to know net profit and financial position of a business. So basically, accounting is an art of recording, collecting, summarizing the data related to it to know the, why do we need all this? To know the net profit and financial position of a business. Fine. And about science, we can say any organized body of knowledge which is based on certain specified principle is called science. So in this respect, accountancy is also science, since it is also an organized body of knowledge based on certain principles and standards. Fine. So its first characteristic is it is an art as well as science, because it includes both the feature of art and science. Second one is recording of financial transaction only. Only those transactions are recorded in accounting which are of financial character. There are so many transactions in the business which are very important for the business but which cannot be expressed in terms of money. So, such transaction will not be recorded. For an example, if we see that there is a quarrel between production manager and sales manager, can we record this in financial transaction? No. So this is not the term of accounting. It will not be recorded in accounting. Fine. Strike by employees is also the example of non-financial transaction. Fine. First of all, transaction. What do you mean by transaction here? Transaction किसको बोलते हैं? Transaction means an exchange of goods and services or funds. This exchange is usually between a buyer and seller. So, an interaction between the seller and a customer is called a transaction. Understood? So, they are saying that in accountancy, or we can say recording of financial transaction only will be done. Non-financial transaction will not at all be recorded. Fine. Next one is recording in terms of money. Each transaction, recording in terms of money means each transaction is recorded in the books in terms of money only. For example, if we say that a businessman purchases 200 chairs and 10 tables, their value in terms of money will be recorded in the books. Fine. Similarly, if we say that a business has 50,000 in cash and land and 5 trucks, 10 machines, can be recorded in terms of money? No, until unless we don't know about its price. Now we take the example, say a businessman has 50,000 in cash, land worth rupees 2 crore, trucks worth rupees 50 lakh. So this can be recorded in the business as this transaction is in terms of money. Understood? So this include the recording in terms of money. Next one is classifying. What do you mean by classifying here? Classifying means after recording the transaction in general, these are classified. We have to prepare separate accounts in classification. Fine. For that we have to prepare first of all journal and then ledger. In journal we record the entries of the transactions, and in ledger we record, suppose we use wages account, salaries account, advertisement account, commission account, etc. Fine. So recording in terms of money, then classifying. Classifying means first of all whenever a transaction happen, we have to record it in journal and later on in ledger. We have to maintain proper records of the accounts. Fine. Next one is summarizing. Under summarizing, see, it is an art of presenting the classified data which can be understandable to the management and other users. So in this we prepare cash book, purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book, etc. Definitely you will be getting to know about all this when you will read next chapters. First of all, you have to understood that under classification we will record first of all the entries in journal, then we'll record in ledger. Fine. Next one is interpretation of the result. In accounting, the result of the business are presented in such a manner. Result could be presented in such a manner that the parties who are interested in the business, such as proprietors, maybe the owners, managers, banks, employees, can have full information about the profitability and financial position of the business. Fine. Next one is communicating. Communicating means that the business has to communicate the financial data to the users who analyze them as per their individual requirements. Communication means if the investor of the business, suppose they are investing in the business, definitely first of all they want to get to know about the financial position of the business. They will be getting to know about the financial position of the business with profit and loss account, trading account, balance sheet. So this all included in communication. Fine. So all these are the characteristics of accounting and meaning of accounting. You have to understand it and revise it thoroughly. This is your homework. You have to revise the concept thoroughly.